Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Mr. Adam channel, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Adam. It's great to be back with all of you. How are you today, Sarah?
I'm doing wonderful, Adam. Thanks for asking. The sun is shining, and I'm ready for a fun chat about a great topic. How about you?
I'm feeling great too, Sarah. It's always a pleasure to talk with our amazing listeners. I'm excited for today's topic because I think it's something everyone can relate to.
Yes, exactly. Before we dive in, dear listeners, please remember to hit that like button. Subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, and share this episode with your friends. It really helps us a lot.
Yes, please do. Your support means the world to us. And today, we're going to talk about something really fun: hobbies and free time activities.
Woohoo! I love this topic, Adam. It's so interesting to hear what people enjoy doing when they're not working or studying. It's all about relaxing and having fun.
Absolutely, Sarah. Our free time is so important, isn't it? It's when we get to do the things that make us happy and help us relax. So, Sarah, let's start with you.
Hey, Adam, you look relaxed. New routine or a new hobby?
New hobby. I've started urban sketching lately.
Oh, cool. Like drawing city scenes?
Yeah, cafes, streets, people, quick sketches on the spot. It's calming.
Nice. Did you always draw?
Not really. I thought I wasn't artistic. Then I joined a weekend class, and it just clicked.
That's awesome. For me, it's ceramics. First time I touched clay, I was hooked. Messy, but satisfying.
You make pottery now?
Mostly mugs and bowls. Still learning handles. They're tricky. I also press leaves into plates. Nature-inspired.
Sounds beautiful. Do you sell them?
Not yet. I give them to friends. The imperfect ones stay with me.
Same here. My first sketches looked awful. Now I'm practicing line confidence. No erasing.
That's bold. Ceramics teaches me patience. If I rush, the clay collapses. It mirrors your mood.
True. Sketching taught me focus. I notice little things, light, shadows, gestures. Makes me see the world better.
That's so real. Clay taught me acceptance. Cracks and failures happen, but that's part of the charm.
How did you start ceramics?
A friend dragged me to a class. The teacher said, "Let your hands think." That moment changed everything.
I love that. I started after watching a street artist draw at the market. He told me, just try. I did, and never stopped.
That's amazing. So what's your routine like?
I sketch about 20 minutes daily. Sometimes in cafes, sometimes during lunch breaks. On Sundays, I join a sketch crawl with others.
Oh, like a drawing club? I have something similar. An open studio on weekends. Everyone's quiet, working. It feels peaceful.
The gear addiction is real, though. Started with one pen. Now I have fountain pens, inks, paper pads, even bulldog clips.
Same here. I started with one tool. Now I collect glazes, like foggy moon, ocean mist, you name it.
Love those names, but limiting tools helps. One sketchbook, one pen, one palette. More focus.
Totally. I limit forms, mugs, bowls, plates, for a month. Basics first.
Do you post your work online?
Sometimes people like watching clay spin. but I try not to care about likes. It kills joy.
Same. I share progress, not perfection. I post before and after sketches, just for fun.
That's healthy. Hobbies should feed you, not your ego.
Exactly. Sketching is cheap, but ceramics must be pricey.
Yeah, it's not cheap, but worth it. It's my therapy. I budget it like self-care.
Smart. I do the same. Instead of buying stuff, I spend on museum tickets or sketch events.
What about creative blocks?
I use micro prompts like draw 5 cups or no lifting the pen. Helps me get moving.
Nice. I do clay sprints. Throw 10 bowls fast. No overthinking. Or switch clay types for a fresh start.
I love that. And seeing others create helps too. Inspiration spreads.
Totally. My studio cheers when someone masters a shape. We even do kintsugi, repair cracked pots with gold.
That's poetic. I want that mindset for my sketchbooks. Embrace mistakes.
Exactly. Hobbies remind us it's okay to be imperfect. We just keep creating.
Couldn't agree more.
You know, Sarah, sometimes I wonder why hobbies matter so much. They take time, energy, and money, yet they make life better somehow.
I've thought about that too. I think hobbies keep us human. Work pulls us into pressure and deadlines, but hobbies pull us back into joy and curiosity.
That's true. Sketching makes me feel grounded. When I draw, my brain stops racing. It's like meditation with a pen.
Exactly. Clay does that for me. When I'm centering clay on the wheel, I can't think about anything else. If I do, the whole thing wobbles. It forces me to be present.
It's funny how a simple activity can calm the mind more than any self-help book.
Totally. Plus, hobbies remind us we're more than our jobs. I'm not just Sarah the designer, I'm Sarah the potter too. It feels like a softer part of me.
Same here. Adam the manager is always solving problems, but Adam the sketcher just enjoys observing. That balance keeps me sane.
I think that's why people lose joy when they only work. They forget to play.
True. Adults need playtime as much as kids do. We just call it hobbies, so it sounds responsible.
Ha ha! Exactly. But play helps us grow. It's where creativity and happiness live.
You know what I realized? Hobbies teach life lessons too. Sketching taught me patience. You can't rush a good drawing.
Same for ceramics. If you rush, the clay collapses. It's like a mirror. Your mood shows up in your work.
That's deep. I notice that when I'm stressed, my lines get shaky. But when I'm calm, my drawings breathe better.
Yeah. I once had a teacher who said, "The clay always tells the truth." I think that applies to any art.
Totally. Also, hobbies build resilience. When a sketch goes wrong, I don't quit. I just turn the page. That's a good attitude for life too.
I love that. When a pot cracks, I recycle the clay and start again. No drama, just do it again. It's freeing.
It's also about progress. I used to be obsessed with results. Perfect lines, perfect pages. Now, I focus on showing up. Every drawing adds a tiny layer of skill.
Same here. Improvement happens quietly. One day, you realize your hands just know what to do.
Right. And hobbies give us small wins, which we don't always get at work. Like when I finish a sketch and think, hey, this looks good. It's instant satisfaction.
Yes, That feeling when you open the kiln and see a beautiful glaze? Pure joy. Even if half the pieces fail, that one success makes it all worth it.
Speaking of failure, hobbies make failure feel lighter. It's not a disaster, it's just part of the process.
Exactly. In the studio, we even celebrate mistakes. Sometimes a warped bowl turns into a cool abstract shape. Imperfection becomes art.
I love that mindset. I want to apply that to life, too, seeing mistakes as creative detours.
Me too. Hobbies make me kinder to myself. You can't control everything. Glaze drips, clay cracks, and you just laugh. It's a good lesson in letting go.
Yeah, hobbies teach acceptance. Not every sketch has to be a masterpiece. Some are just practice, and that's okay.
Do you keep all your drawings?
Almost all, even the ugly ones. I treat them like diary pages. I can flip back and see how I've changed.
That's beautiful. I keep my first pots too. They're crooked, but they remind me where I started.
That's the best part. Watching growth happen slowly. It's like watching yourself evolve through your hands.
Yes, and you start appreciating the journey more than the destination.
Exactly. Work often feels like chasing endless goals. Hobbies remind us that doing something just for love is enough.
That's so true. When I sit at the wheel, time disappears. I don't do it to impress anyone. I do it because it feels right.
Same for me. Sketching isn't about showing off. It's about seeing life differently. The world feels more alive when I draw it.
That's such a lovely way to put it. I think hobbies help us fall in love with ordinary things again.
Like coffee cups, shoes, random street corners. Suddenly everything's interesting.
Exactly. You find beauty in small things. That's the magic of creating.
You know, hobbies also connect people. I met so many kind souls through sketching groups. Everyone shares tips, cheers each other on. It's wholesome.
Same with ceramics. My studio feels like family. We talk about clay, life, even heartbreaks while throwing pots. It's therapy disguised as art.
That's amazing. I think hobbies build community because they remove competition. It's pure sharing.
Right. There's no hierarchy. Beginners, experts, we're all just people making things we love.
And it's not about perfection. It's about presence. Just being there, creating, feeling alive.
Absolutely. Even the sound of the wheel spinning or the smell of wet clay, it's soothing. You feel part of something simple and true.
I feel that too when my pen glides on paper. It's like time slows down. No noise, no rush, just me and the moment.
That's why I always say, hobbies are a kind of meditation. You don't need candles or silence, just focus and joy.
Exactly. I sometimes call sketching my moving meditation. My lines become breaths on paper.
Beautiful. Have your hobbies changed your routine?
Definitely. I take slower walks now. I notice textures, shadows, reflections. Everything's a possible sketch.
Same. I see shapes everywhere. Bowls, curves, lines. Even when I cook, I think about balance and form. It's funny how art sneaks into daily life.
It's like once you start creating, you never stop seeing.
Totally. Even failure feels different now. I used to get frustrated easily, but clay taught me patience. You can't rush art or life.
You know, good things take time. Hobbies remind me not everything has to be instant.
True. Life moves too fast. My hobbies help me slow down.
Sketching keeps me offline for hours. That break feels amazing.
Same here. Clay time is my screen-free zone.
Do you ever feel guilty spending time on hobbies?
Sometimes, but I remind myself, rest isn't lazy. Creating is fuel.
I like that. Sketching feels like therapy for me now.
Exactly. It's self-care disguised as play.
We should trademark that phrase.
Maybe, but it's true. After creating, I feel lighter.
Me too. It's like hitting refresh on my mind.
That's why I tell people to make something, big or small.
Even cooking or gardening counts. Anything creative heals.
Right. The best hobbies make you forget the clock.
Ever thought about turning pottery into a career?
A little, but I don't want pressure to ruin the joy.
Same. I tried selling sketches once. Too stressful.
Hobbies should stay fun, not forced.
Agreed. They're little acts of hope. Each piece says, I'll try again.
Beautifully said. Here's to hobbies, our quiet teachers. Thank you so much for joining today's lesson, and it was great to see you. Stay healthy and keep practicing.
If you find this video useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss the next English lessons. Your support means a lot to us and helps us to be more motivated to create more interesting and useful content, helping you speak English naturally and confidently every day. Thank you again, and see you in the next video.
We will be back soon with another interesting episode. Bye!